Welcome back to Autocar Line, the home of premium automotive storytelling, where elegance meets engineering and every machine is presented with cinematic passion. Today, we bring you something extraordinary, a masterpiece of luxury, performance, and artistic design. This is the Mercedes AMG SL 63, wrapped in the breathtaking Bronze Magno matte finish. A color so bold, so regal, that it transforms this iconic roadster into a rolling sculpture of speed. So sit back, relax, and let's dive deep into the stunning world of the AMG SL 63. Exterior. The first glance at the Mercedes AMG SL 63 in Bronze Magno tells you one thing immediately. This isn't just a sports car, it's a statement of confidence. The matte bronze body catches light in a subtle, silky way, creating a cinematic glow that feels like a luxury film scene in motion. At the front, the signature Panamericana grille stands tall with its vertical chrome slats, looking sharp, muscular, and unmistakably AMG. The grille extends outward like the chest of a powerhouse athlete, giving the car a dominating stance even while standing still. The sleek digital light LED headlights blend aggression with elegance, crafted with precision to deliver a razor-sharp visual identity on the road. Every time those DRLs flicker to life, they announce the arrival of something truly commanding. The long, sculpted AMG bonnet stretches forward with deep power domes, hinting at the monster engine that lies beneath. Follow that line along the body and you'll notice the sophisticated curvature, the wide fenders, and the ultra-clean door design that all flow smoothly towards the rear. The Bronze Magno finish enhances every contour, giving the car a satin-like depth that feels handcrafted. Move to the rear, and the AMG SL 63 continues its performance luxury symphony. The slim, darkened LED taillights give the car a futuristic edge, connecting with a subtle rear strip that emphasizes its width. The active rear spoiler, seamlessly integrated into the trunk lid, rises with purpose when needed, balancing aerodynamics with pure visual drama. And of course, the quad AMG performance exhausts finish the look with a powerful reminder: this roadster isn't here to play, it's here to dominate. On the street, the SL 63 looks cinematic from every angle. Low, wide, confidently sculpted, and dressed in a color that demands attention. Whether cruising at sunset or parked under city lights, this car carries a presence that feels expensive, exclusive, and unapologetically bold. Interior. Step inside the Mercedes AMG SL 63 and the first impression is pure indulgence. The cabin is a fusion of luxury materials and next-generation technology wrapped together with AMG's unmistakable performance DNA. The seats are finished in the finest Napa leather, with AMG sport stitching and ergonomic bolstering designed to hold you comfortably at high speeds. These are not just seats. They are luxurious lounges built for performance driving. Heated, ventilated, and equipped with massage functions, they elevate even the longest journeys into premium comfort experiences. The steering wheel is a flat-bottom AMG performance design, wrapped in leather and Alcantara, offering perfectly placed controls and paddle shifters that feel crisp and satisfying with every click. The wheel alone reminds you that this car is engineered for those who love to drive. Front and center sits the stunning 11.9-inch touchscreen infotainment system, slightly tilted to reduce glare and create a cockpit-like feel. With Mercedes' latest MBUX interface, everything is intuitive, responsive, and visually beautiful. The 3D instrument cluster brings animations to life, making every startup feel like a cinematic moment. The climate control system features turbine-style vents that look like aviation components, with ambient lighting flowing around them in seamless waves. At night, the entire cabin glows with customizable multicolor ambient lights, transforming the interior into a luxury lounge on wheels. The door panels continue the premium theme, combining leather, brushed aluminum, and fine stitching. Even the speaker grills of the Burmester surround sound system look artistic, laser-cut, metallic, and beautifully illuminated. Close the door, and the cabin seals itself with a secure, refined thump, the kind of sound you only hear in the world's highest quality cars. Space-wise, the SL 63 offers a 2+2 layout, with the rear seats available for small passengers or extra luggage. The cabin is quiet, well insulated, and crafted to deliver a perfect balance between sporty purpose and luxury comfort. Price. The Mercedes-AMG SL 63 sits in the upper tier of luxury performance roadsters. Depending on the market and customization, the estimated price falls near the $180,000 to $210,000 range. And with exclusive colors like Bronze Magno, premium wheels, and interior upgrades, that number can climb even higher. But the SL 63 isn't just a car, it's an experience. A luxury performance flagship that competes with the likes of the Porsche 911 Turbo and the BMW M8 convertible. Its price reflects its status. Powerful, elegant, exclusive, and crafted for sophisticated drivers who want the very best. Engine and performance. Now, let's talk about what makes the Mercedes-AMG SL 63 truly unforgettable. Under the hood sits a handcrafted 4.0-liter AMG twin-turbo V8, producing a massive 577 horsepower and 590 pound-feet of torque. This beast launches the SL 63 from 0 to 60 miles per hour in an astonishing 3.5 seconds, pushing you back into your seat with the force of a high-speed thrill ride. Top speed. An electronically limited 196 miles per hour. But it's not just about raw speed. It's about how this car delivers it. The 9-speed AMG transmission shifts with lightning precision, while the fully variable 4MATIC Plus all-wheel drive gives you confidence in every weather condition. The steering is razor sharp, the chassis is stiff yet refined, and the ride feels planted thanks to AMG's adaptive suspension system. Fuel efficiency isn't the priority in a car like this, but real-world numbers hover around 15 to 20 mpg, depending on driving style. And trust us, you'll want to drive this car enthusiastically. On the road, the SL 63 feels alive. The V8 growls with authority, the exhaust cracks on upshifts, and the car flows through corners with grace and confidence. It's luxury and adrenaline blended into a single unforgettable experience.